Grade 5 are here?
Yes.
Okay, you missed the first class. Little go back. Little keep distance of 1 foot at least. Last week you have missed the class. So we have demonstrated all the power tools here. So regarding that power tools, you can see, you can watch in the video tonight. Okay? I'll release you. Don't miss it. You see that everything has been explained there. So after that, today what we are going to do is that if I give you all the works to do here, it will take a lot of time. Right? I will demonstrate you one and I will give you the piece of the woods blocks of this plywood. You can practice at home by yourself. Is it okay? Did you understand, Manoj? Are you okay? Okay, now first thing is that when we listen here, everybody, this is plywood. What do you call this?
Plywood.
Yeah, plywood or plywood. This type of small chips will come out. You can see in the camera, the small chips, you can see this type of chips will come out, okay? And what you have to do is that these chips, this is called, last week we have learned this is called sander. What do you call this?
Sander.
So when we put this sander in electric, can you please help me to switch on the light there? Okay, now you will hear a little bit of extra noise. Okay, so when you switch on, you will hear some extra noise. This is vibrating. So when it will vibrate, it will rub this and all the chips will go away. Are you okay now? I'll show you one, I will demonstrate you. These chips are clear now. It is quite safe now. So in this way, we have a lot of things here. This you have to do it by yourself now, step by step. You have to come in this way and you have to practice one by one. Okay? So I will give you one each. Right, and this is the switch to on. You have to keep your plate with you here and you have to rub this and clean it. You take this and go that side and everyone has to make a circle. Are you okay now? Yeah, so this is one. So who wants to come first? Okay, you come this side. Yeah, okay. You have to be in this way. You hold this. Little hold properly, okay? I'll switch on. You use this your hand and switch on this. That side. Yes, and this is for you. Yes. Right, okay, you keep it with you. Now you have to do both sides. You go from here, you go that side. And you just keep on, okay? Just you come next one and not turn by turn, in this way. Come next, come here. Hold it, hold hard. Yeah, not up, hold it. Next. One. No, wait. Don't hold it here. Don't hold it here. You give full power here. Grab this and switch on with this and rock. Practice. You believe na rakhi gayi. I'll show you. No, don't hold like this. It's not so powerful, right? So you have to do in this way. Next. Okay, now listen here. Okay, gentlemen, listen here. Listen carefully. I'm going to demonstrate you now. All of you got one piece of block?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to give you this, 2 to each. What after I demonstrating you, okay? Now the work of this sander is finished. Now your blocks are already safety, right? Now it's very clean. Is it okay? Now those who's not yet been completely clean, that I will help you. But right now it's clean. Now this is safe for you. It will not go. It will not go inside your hand. Now I will demonstrate you with one piece. In case if yours is not clean, we will do it again. First, and I don't have much hammers here to practice for you. I have only two. I'll show you. Now this is the block. Listen very carefully. One thing, students, if you don't listen to me very carefully, you will not understand. If you will not understand, you cannot achieve your goal. You will not understand how to do it. Ranish, Udash, okay? Now, the size, listen here very carefully, and I'm going to ask you. This is the 6 inches long. I can show you. Some of you may not be exactly 6 inch, but here we have 5. Some of you may have 6, and here is 4. All right. Now that doesn't mean. Listen here. That doesn't mean that you have to be exactly in the same size. I'm going to give you each everyone, and this we will use it as a leg part. Bottom here, one side this way, and another side also this way. All right. Now this is called step tools. In English we call it step tools. This is the way you have to practice, and you have to make it and get it in the next class. So how do we hit the nails? I will tell you. Listen here carefully. We have this power tools also, but we are not going to use this nail today. We are going to use a bit traditional system, the old one. And one more thing, remember, look at this. This leg should not go out of your boundary. Remember, this one must not go out. Okay, this must not go out. This must be exactly inside this. And one more thing, look at here, Ronis. This part finishing must be level equal. It should be not, it should come out like this. This is wrong, or it should not go in this angle also. Exactly like this I want to see you in the next class. Do you understand? So what you have to do is simply you have to manage in this way. You can keep it here for time being, and I'm going to give you the nails. What I'm going to give you next time,
Yes.
okay, that nails you have to hit it in this way. This must be very accurate, and you have to hit it here first. Remember, okay, don't hit hard. Okay, when you hit it, be careful. You may hit your nails, you may hit your fingers also. Very carefully you have to do it this way. And one is gone. Now another one is still here. So this one I'm going to give you 3 each or 4 each. You can hit it here safely. You must now a little bit strong, this one, or you can add some more in future. Here 3 like this, and same way you have to do another side also here. Okay, small model of your step tools. This is called step tool. What do you call it? Step tool. So everyone has to make these things and get it in the next week. This is, you can try.
So we have to make it home.
Yes, at home, that is your work. Don't pull it so hard. You can borrow from your friends, or instead of hammer, you can make use of some another tools also, right? But be careful. If you use another tools, it may not hit accurately and it may get hard. Remember, and woodworking is a bit risky also. Are you okay now? So I'm going to give you each to you. Okay. 2 for you. I'm going to give you in this way. 2 for you. Here is for you. Here is for you. Are you okay now? Be ready now.
Yes.
Everything is with you.
Yes.
So you will practice at home. Okay. Now
What did I learn?
you can ask your friends or somebody else, or you can make use of something else instead of that. Thank you very much. This way you can do. Here is some extra, doesn't matter, okay, and you can practice it. Yes, okay, the nails.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you. No, that's my hammer I need today. I have some work, okay.